Forget everything you thought you know about fried chicken. This recipe isn't just about crispy chicken, it's about an explosion of flavor in every bite. We are dividing deep into the secret of achieving that perfect crunch. Start with a marinade that will transform your chicken from ordinary to extraordinary. Buttermilk 1 cup and ginger garlic paste, a dynamic duo that deliver a warm aromatic punch. Vinegar 2 tablespoons, tenderize the chicken while adding a subtle tang. And salt 1 teaspoon, essential for seasoning and drawing out moisturizer. Mustard paste 1 tablespoon, add a complex depth of flavor and keep create a beautiful crust. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon, a freaky kick that leave you warm, wanting more. Black pepper half teaspoon, a classic piece that complement other flavors beautiful. Submerge the chicken pieces in the flavorful mixture and let them soak overnight in the refrigerator. This look marinade allow the flavor penetrate deeply, resulting in incredible juicy and flavorful chicken. Now for the secret weapon, a double batter dip, a granted unparalleled crispiness. Dry batter corn flour, all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. Magic begins the night before. We are not just coating chicken, we are infusing it with flavors. Corn flour add a light, airy texture to the crust. All-purpose flour provide structure and help create a golden brown crust. Salt balance the flavor, black pepper add a subtle warmth, and chili flakes add a touch of heat and complement the marinade. Well combine all the dry ingredients. Coat your marinated chicken piece thoroughly in a dry batter. Dip them into a buttermilk marinade again. Ensure they are fully coated. Give them another roll in a dry batter. Press gently and ensure the coating is dressed properly. Fry in hot oil until golden brown and cook thoroughly. Keep the flame low medium for golden brown crust. The outer side will be incredibly crisp and golden while the inside remains juicy and tender. Here's the final result. Crispy and crunchy chicken leg pieces are ready. So ditch the bland boring fried chicken and try this recipe. You won't be disappointed. Thank you. Subscribe and like it my channel.